Now we're going to add that final touch. Ensuring alignment throughout the kitchen is important for a great look. We show how to align cabinets in film 3, installing the cabinets, and how to adjust hinges for doors and fronts in film 4, installing doors and drawers. Now you can see how to correct the dishwasher front in film 5, appliances, hob and sink. Now it's time to put the handles on the drawer fronts. It's good to use a piece of wood to prevent chipping. You can make your kitchen look more traditional or more modern by choosing different style handles and using different placements. The plinth makes the kitchen complete. A ventilation grid is necessary underneath the fridge and freezer. It's easy to just click it onto the plinth. Put the grid in the middle, under the integrated fridge and freezer. When putting down the plinth right under the cabinets, so that you attach it to the legs. Most likely you will need to add pieces of plinths together. That's easy. To add the finishing touches that enhance your style, you can use uniform cover panels, filler pieces, decorative strips, knobs and handles. The first thing you need to do is to cover any gaps between the wall and cabinets with filler pieces. A filler piece is a cut-down cover panel. They are used between your cabinets and walls for a streamlined appearance and to ensure there is enough room to fully open doors and drawers. There are different ways to install filler pieces. Here is one way of doing it. To get the same finish as your door, giving you a uniform expression, use cover panels on the side of the cabinet. There are different sizes to match the different heights and widths. Here we're going to add a ceiling connection. This means the cover panels are a bit longer in order to fit with the ceiling connection. You might need to cut the cover panels for the wall cabinets so that they fit perfectly. Use the screws that come with the cover panel and attach it from inside the cabinet. To add a ceiling connection, you use cover panels as well. Measure the distance from the cabinets to the ceiling, also the length. Cut the cover panel to the correct size. As with the filler piece, there are different ways to install a ceiling connection. Here's one way of doing it. Decorative strips are used to tie your style together, hide lighting, or just as a decorative element. You can choose how to mount them on your cabinets. There are different ways of mounting them above your cabinets as mouldings and below it. They can be wrapped around the whole cabinet or just placed between the cover panels. Cut the decorative strip to the right size and use the screws that come with it to attach it to the cabinets. Now you have seen how to properly install a Metod kitchen. We hope you've been able to use this knowledge to realise your dream kitchen.